In this video, I want to show you how to extract the flight log data from your drone flight. Because in that data file, there is an immense amount of information, and we're going to find it really useful to use that information to analyze how the drone is moving through space. We're going to use this for a number of labs, so watch this closely. So first, you plug in your camera to your phone, excuse me, to the computer with a USB cord, and it should pop up here on the devices and drives. I'm just on this PC. And then if I click on that, I should see something like this. It says internal storage. By the way, if you don't see anything here when you do that, it's because your phone is waiting for you to allow access to phone data. So you should see a screen on your phone like this, and you just click allow, and then it will allow the computer to see the data that you have on your phone. By the way, this is why Android phones are so much better than iPhones, because iPhones, this is completely opaque. iPhones don't allow the users to get into the data in this way. So anyway, I'm going to go to the internal storage. You know, in the past, we've looked at the DCIM, and we can see things that are on the camera. The students, fortunately, have deleted that. But now I want to look at some data. I'm going to go to the Android folder. I'm going to go to Data. And now I'm going to go to this folder. It's called com are you there.vision plus. I don't know why it's called that, but I'm going to go to that com.areyouThere.vision plus, go to files, and then flight logs. And there's a flight log. This is from some students that flew this morning. Let's just open it up. I'm going to show you what's there. First of all, I'm just going to take this and wrap it so that we can see these. There's the latitude and longitude. We'll use those later in the semester for our lab. This is the altitude. What is the height? So you see when they first started, they were at about a meter, but they moved to all different heights. There they are at about 17 meters. Let's see how brave and adventurous they were. They moved up to 40 meters. By the way, your drone can go up to 120 meters. I know that seems really high. Looks like they just went up to about 60 meters. Uh, so there's the altitude. Here's the speed. This is a really important column. In fact, that's the column that we're going to want for this. And then also over here we see the elapsed time. That's the time from the beginning of your flight plan until the end of your flight plan. So we're going to use that data in this lab, the speed and the time that has elapsed from the beginning to the end. That is when your drone takes off to where it lands again. Okay?